Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. So today's video is going to be my first day of doing Uber Eats. So yeah, I've actually never done Uber Eats before. I've done Uber, Lyft, and Postmates, and Instacart. But today I'm gonna be testing out Uber Eats. So yeah, I'm gonna basically do a day of delivery and find out, is it worth it? How much money can I make doing Uber Eats? I actually have no idea how the app works, so you'll probably laugh at me if you do Uber Eats. So I'm just gonna sign on here and walk you through my day. If you like this type of content, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm just gonna sign on here. This is my Uber app here. I don't want to show you my location. I think I have to go down here and turn off UberX. Yeah, so now I just have deliveries on. By the way, it took me a while to get this figured out, how to even get deliveries. For a while it didn't, but oh, I need to take a picture of myself. All right, all good to go. Now take that off. Actually, one of the reasons I did want to do Uber Eats rather than Uber is because I don't like wearing a mask all day. And I did go out and drive for Uber the other day and it was not very fun. Okay, I'm online. I'm finding trips. By the way, I like to start, oh my gosh, a $14 order. Dang, that's actually really good. Wait, how do I accept it? Dang, 14 bucks? That's So basically for Postmates, I know you can like click here and it'll show Maui Sunrise. So he just gets one acai bowl basically. Maybe $14 is how much he's gonna pay, because I don't think I'm gonna make 14 bucks. Okay, so now we need to drive there. It's 6 minutes drive. Okay guys, so one of the things I don't know is if I need to pay for the order, because with Postmates, I actually got a whole debit card to pay for the order with. By the way, this is Melissa. Hi. She's joining me today. Are you excited to do some Uber Eats?
I'm very excited to do some Uber Eats.
She asked to hang out today and I said, well, only if you do Uber Eats with me. I'll give you like $1 of the earnings.
Oh, thank you.
I'll give you the tips. Whatever they tip me, I'll give it to you.
Thanks.
Alright guys, so we're going to pick up the first order. There's a line there. I don't know if you can see, but I don't know if I have to go place the order, so I might have to go wait in line. I don't know, but I'll let you guys, we'll see. Alright, you too. Alright guys. Alright guys, got the first order, and it actually was all ready for pickup, so I didn't have to wait, which was nice. But I didn't need to wait in line. We're ready to go. Let's do our first delivery.
Yes.
This is our first delivery. Should get the thumbnail. 136,541 miles, and I'm at a little over half a tank. So we'll see how much, gas and miles that I put on my car. All right, guys. So we just dropped off our first delivery. So basically, I'm just going to deliver it. I still have $0 in my account, so I don't know if it takes a while to go in. 45 minutes. Oh no, yeah, it took 45 minutes to do that order, guys. The first order. One trip and I got $0. Yay!
Oh my god.
What do you want to do with all our money? Should we go to Disneyland?
Yeah, let's go to Disneyland.
We can go to the beach. It's free.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh no, it did say 14 bucks. Maybe it didn't. Maybe it needs to take some time to go in. Yeah, look, I got $14 on that.
Yay, it's so good.
That's actually really good. Oh wow, but look at my mileage, guys. There we go, guys. I think I've already put on about 50 miles on my car. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to fill up my gas. Obviously I need to pay for gas to do Uber Eats, but luckily I use an app called Get Upside, which helps me save money on my gas. If you watch my videos, you've heard me talk about it before. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like and show you how much money I get back per gallon. You can use my link down below to sign up for Get Upside, and you'll get an additional 15 cents off per gallon on your first fill up. And then you'll get discounts for life when you at a lot of gas stations. So this is one of the gas stations by my house that I go to all the time because they have really good discounts. And yeah, I'll just show you, the process of it. This is a 76. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but yeah, this is the one I go to. So I'm just gonna show you, this is what it looks like. Again, you can use the link down below, but this is my app here. So basically, when you go, they have a list of gas stations. So I'm already here, so they know that I'm here. So it pops up, but you can go to any of these and it says all the discounts. Okay, so I'm just filling up gas like normal. I like doing this because I get a little bit of cash back, so it saves me money, especially when you're driving Uber and Lyft or Uber Eats, whatever. You're spending money on gas, so might as well use like that money and get cash back every time you fill up. Again, use the link down below for Get Upside. But yeah, for now, I'll keep you guys updated with how much money I make today. Guys, we took a break for Uber Eats, and we spent all the money on this, but look how fire that is.
So good.
And some Vietnamese iced coffee. How's that?
Very good.
What was that? What is that on top? Chia seeds?
Yeah, I think so.
So what do you think so far doing Uber Eats? This is your first time doing Uber Eats too?
Yeah, first time. It's pretty nice.
Because you've done Uber Eats, like you've ordered Uber Eats, right?
Yeah,
or Postmates or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So how does it feel now being on the other side
I feel
of delivering
bad for
it?
the drivers.
Right?
How do you drive so
45
long?
minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Did you ever expect that drivers, it takes that much? You have to wait in line. You don't think about it, right?
No, I just chill at home. It's like, why are they taking so long?
We are now doing our second delivery. By the way, quick update. The first person left a tip. And so this is actually crazy for me, at least. I didn't know you can make this much, but on one delivery, I got $16.38. This is my first Uber Eats delivery. I hit a home run. I feel like it's not gonna be that good overall, but let me see if I can just pull that up. Yeah, one trip completed. Oh, that's my total online time. But yeah, $14 for one and $2.38. Okay, so I'm gonna go online now and let's see if we can get another delivery. We're in a pretty busy area now, so we'll see how fast. Oh, right away. That one's only $7.
Do you want to try refreshing?
Well, I would have to decline it.
Oh.
Should I decline it?
Yeah, decline.
Okay, let's see if we get a bigger one. It's a Cold Stone, it's ice cream. I don't feel like carrying ice cream, it might melt. Low key.
You might melt the complaint that you made.
Well, they would probably put it in like a package, but either way. $4.
That's even worse.
Okay, decline. I don't know how many I can decline without them like getting mad at me. I don't think you could just $7. Chipotle. Actually, Chipotle is really easy to pick up from. Should we do that? Or should I try to get a bigger one?
Let's try to get a bigger one next time.
Okay, let's just take the Chipotle. Because actually last time I did a Chipotle pickup from Postmates, it was already there waiting ready for me, and they had a whole designated area. And literally you just go up, skip the whole line, and they like, you give them your name. So, and actually, you know what? It's in the Spectrum, you're right.
That's so cool.
Yeah, so it's in the same area that we're at, so I'm gonna go and try to find a closer parking spot. It's kind of on the other side, but I think there is parking over there because I saw the parking lot's not too full. They just got a burrito bowl and chips, it looks like. So it's pretty simple. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up now. Oh, I just got it.
The customer already called and like they kind of gave us a hard time about it.
Oh, really?
You guys need to get this.
Oh my god, are you Dylan from the Rideshare Hub? Are you Dylan? Himmerich?
I can't talk.
Come on, I heard some rumors about you, Dylan Himmerich from the Rideshare Hub.
I'm just trying to.
Is it true that you're not actually an Uber driver? Is that true?
No comment. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys could tell what was going on, but basically, so this customer got promised, she ordered for $3.15 and it's currently 4:03 p.m. We just picked it up and I asked him like if they had a coupon or if they could remake it, and he said no. So this customer's probably gonna be really angry. So I'm gonna call them right now, and I don't know what happened. I assume a bunch of drivers just like denied her order or whatever, but yeah, she's getting her order hella late, and she already said, the guy at Chipotle said she already called and complained. All right guys, so I'm gonna call her right now and tell her, I don't know if she still wants her food because we're super late. It's 6 minutes away, so I'm just gonna call her really quick.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice.
Her phone's off. I'm just sending her a quick text. I said, hey, I'm on my way with the food. They said it was late, but I just got the order. So I'm just sending her this quick text. Just, you know, I don't want to get the bad rating, obviously, so I just sent her this quick text. I already tried calling her twice, but it went straight to voicemail. So I'm just sending her this, and hopefully I don't get dinged with a bad rating, but hey, if I do, then that's just what happens. So, all right, we're gonna go right now. We got a 6-minute drive ahead of us. So we just dropped off the food at a hotel, and surprisingly enough, she called me when I got there, and she was really, really nice. I was not expecting that at all. I was thinking maybe she was like working from home and she wanted her Chipotle, whatever. It was like an hour late. I felt bad. I was really apologetic to her. I sent her those texts, and she came right out and was really nice about it. So I assume I'm not gonna be rated low, but I wouldn't be surprised if she tried to get a refund. So hopefully I don't get docked from that. All right guys, so we are picking up our 3rd order now from the Vietnamese iced coffee. We're getting 2 iced coffees. Hopefully they don't melt. We've been hanging out. This is actually where we came to hang out at. So 2 of our orders have actually been here. So, and they've been really like short rides too. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside and pick it up. All right, guys. This is our 3rd delivery. This one was really quick.
Yeah.
No, it was nice. I was saying that I didn't like how we have to park and walk into this like outdoor mall, but this one was really easy because it was already ready. But this one's a longer drive, 14 minutes.
Oh my god.
So now we're leaving this popular area probably. But I don't blame them because this place is really, really good. And yeah, I would probably do the same. Okay, we park over here. But yeah, so far I have to say, I really prefer Uber Eats over Postmates. I did Postmates for 2 days so far, and the pros with Uber Eats is that you can see how much you're gonna get paid before you accept it. With Postmates, you don't know. You don't know until you drop it off. With here, and the order size, the payment per order is way higher. The first one we got $14, and the most I ever got with Postmates was $8. This one, like, yeah, every order average has been like $7, $8, $14. Way bigger orders than the Postmates ones. Postmates, I got $3 orders, like consistently, $4. And you don't know how much you're gonna get paid until after you complete it. You can't just like deny it until you get a bigger one. And one thing with Postmates is you have a card, and a lot of you can just stop here. And with Postmates, you have to pay for a lot of the orders. Order them, wait for them to make it, take a picture of the receipt, type in how much it's going to cost. With Uber Eats, you don't have to deal with any of that. You just sign up. So I actually, as of now, prefer Uber Eats. So we're going to do a few more deliveries, guys, and yeah, we'll keep you updated, and I'll let you guys know how much money I've made so far after I complete this one. All right, guys. So we were just literally like 10 minutes away. We went and picked up these drinks and everything, and they canceled the order. They said they didn't want it anymore. They said to throw it away. Look at this, guys. It says, order canceled. Don't worry, you'll be paid for this delivery. You can throw it away. So guys, I'm honestly happy. Why? Because I still had to drive another 5 miles. So that's 5 more miles I didn't have to put on my car, and I get to keep these. So I'm gonna be up all night tonight, guys, because these are 2 more Vietnamese iced coffees. But so far, guys, 31 bucks and 38 cents. So honestly, I think that's pretty good for today. I'm gonna go offline. Guys, for 3 deliveries, I think that's pretty good. And we only were online for maybe what, 2 hours tops, maybe an hour and a half. So 15 bucks an hour for doing this. It was pretty chill. So yeah, that's all I got for today's video, guys. I got 31 bucks and 2 free iced coffees out of it. I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna try out probably more Uber Eats later this week, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see me do it again and see me do a full 8-hour shift of Uber Eats and see how much money I can really make hustling all day. But for now, this was just me trying it out. So make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you everybody for watching. And again, use the link down below for Get Upside to save money on your gas fill-ups. Have a good day, guys. Bye.